Well, folks, we're staying in today. The dogs are sleeping. One is. They look like they should be sleeping. This is what the weather looks like outside. It's frightening. It's been snowing all morning. 12 degrees. 11, 12 degree weather. It is frightening out there. That car's going pretty fast, but the roads are not very good. You're just barely be able to see right now. It's been a nasty, nasty morning. Here in Highgate, Vermont, we were having from 61 degrees to 11 degrees. 11 or 12 degrees today. This is not a good day. A good day to stay in and eat some soup, put on a good movie and watch it. That's all it's about today, folks. Thanks. This is Lewis. I'm signing off. Just make sure you have some fun today. And that's what I'm all about. Having fun.